And it really took me back because this time, 2 years ago, when we were at this camp, no, 3 years ago, in 2024, when we were at this camp, um, yeah, I was still with the kids' dad. We had had a massive altercation during Christmas that previous year, so in the Christmas holidays, and it was pretty bad. Well, no, it wasn't pretty bad. It was bad. And I didn't, I knew the relationship wasn't good, but I didn't know exactly the different way that abuse plays out and how it impacts you over time. And so we were at this camp and we had decided at that point we were going to separate, but we had been planning this camp with the kids for a couple of days or weeks and we didn't want to like disappoint them. So we kind of thought, well, let's just do one last family holiday together. And obviously, everyone else at the camp could feel the family tension. So we were there and they were kind of having to mediate a little bit um, because he would lose his cool with me or with the kids or whatever. And there were some women there who worked for Women's Refuge that basically said to me, you need to get out and you need to do it as soon as you can. And then I think it was only a week after that he left, like he moved out of the house. Um, and I was just comparing this time to that time, like our experience of going there this time. The same people were there. And when they saw me, they were like, wow, you look completely different. And I said, yeah, I transformed myself since you last saw me. And this is the work of unfucking, honestly. Um, when I went there last time, I was very like guilt driven, very anxious, very afraid of what what could happen, like the worst that could happen. And over time, as I've worked through that with the work of unfucking in myself and the work that I want to teach others now, I've come to this place where when I was there this time, I just was so present. I didn't have any anxiety. I was just confident and calm and enjoyed our time and had a great time with the kids.